Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to rotate drawing views. To rotate your drawing view, right-click on the view you want to rotate. Come to Zoom, Pan, and Rotate. And under the options, select Rotate View. And in the Rotate Drawing View, type in the angle. So in this example, let's type in 45. Click Apply. And it is going to rotate that view 45 degrees. You can also type in a negative number. So you can type in negative 45. It is going to rotate it in the other direction, negative 45. And we can type in 90 and apply. And we can also type in negative 90 and select apply. And once you're done, click close and select OK. And that is how you rotate view in SolidWorks drawing. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.